Okay. This is probably when it gets on, but see, this is what I get now.
I mean, you're better off giving it to the Gorn and let him.
First extension's not working. And now this isn't working. That was Mythbusters. Credit to Mythbusters. They rock no matter what. Okay. This is what I get now. Everything is plugged in into the computer. In fact, I can show you. Talk about a bad day. See, it's plugged in. And yes, it does have that little thing because it is a laptop. I'll show you that too. I need to take this off now. See, right here. And flip it, it's right there. The battery has been working fine lately. Come on, people. Come on, day. Just be good for once. I need a good day. Oh, you guys want to see the water bottle dog? Buddy! I do hope that water bottle dog thing does come viral. But that's Buddy. He is still away. I can't let him go outside. Because it is called in the state of Texas. What? Are you guys, what? I'm in Texas? Yes, I'm in Texas. It's not always hot in Texas. It isn't. Especially when you're in central Texas. Like right at the heart of the state. I'm also wet. My shirt is. But you can't see it because it's just not really that wet. But talk about a freaking bad day. This isn't working. I got XM on my iPad. Not working. Thank you, Mommy. I love you, Mommy. She said that she'll take care of it when she comes. On my birthday. Which is, what? A month and, I don't know how many days. But over a month, almost 2 months. Haven't seen her since summer. And she's never seen this little poor baby that's cuter than her dog. Her dog is a Siberian Husky. My dog is a Boston Terrier. Always hyper, always up for action. Except when he was a baby. And he is actually getting a lot closer to being potty trained. I thought I was doing something wrong. Turns out I'm doing everything right. How do I know? He's not pottying in his kennel finally. Woo woo. Oh great, I'm tagged in a video. I'm tagged in a picture. She doesn't know about the water bottle dog. Well, she does know that my dog drinks out of its water bottle. It's strange, but I think it's neat. I just need to go get him a sports bottle. And just have it ready at all times. I'm teaching him to walk, sit, stand. Actually, he knows how to sit. He won't do it in front of people for some reason. So I need to get him to really stop acting up around people. He'd prefer to play when he's around people, which I would expect from a little kid. But he also needs to know that his mama's in charge at all times. Oh, you guys want to see something neat? Go to PetSense, maybe even PetSmart, I don't know. But PetSense for sure has them. That's where I got that. It's like a hook that you put onto the dog's collar. I can't take his collar off because it's too difficult. Because the thing is too tiny and hard to take out. And you just put it on the collar and you put all the tags on there. It's a lot easier. I'll show you what it looks like. I know where this thing might be in here too. No, glue and rubber bands for my sucker. Mommy, I'm in trouble. I lost your Christmas present. She lost your Christmas present. Just give me a minute. Guys, just look at my beautiful face. Or my shirt. I hate that I put everything up here now. All my meds. Okay, I can't find it. I gotta find it one day. Before my mom comes, before I get my butt kicked. I can actually get a spanking, according to her. Yes, I did get spankings when I was little. Until around the age of 12. Then it was timeouts. But, to be honest, I prefer the spankings even though I was scared to death. Because, to be honest, I'm actually afraid of my mom. Hey Mom, if you're watching this, I'll shut up before I'm killed. But, give me a minute. Why do you keep turning your thing over? Okay, that's what it is. And that's his tag. He's demanding it back on. He's like, that's mine. He did that when I was training. He did that to his. I gotta go because this camera is running low on batteries, and I gotta get charge AAA batteries for it. New camera. Peace out. Peace out, dear Nature Princess, and peace out, Nature Princess. Let's go now. I don't know. Bye.